Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is the first time you've seen my channel, do well by subscribing. Let me ask you again, have you subscribed to this channel? If you're yet to subscribe to Tarron Innovative World, you are really missing out. Alright, and I will be dropping the link to all my other channels where I teach how to make bridal accessories like bouquets and fans, okay, and beads. Alright, so in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make another beautiful bag, shopping bag. All right, it's a very big one. Okay, now Christmas is around the corner, right? Christmas is around the corner. You may be wondering, what can I gift to my mom as a Christmas as Christmas gifts, or as a Christmas gift, Christmas present? All right, so a client came and then she was like, she saw some bags I made of pictures, and then she said, Kai, she would like to have it for her mom. All right, and then push, we started. So I told her to send the picture of her mom and then we design it. So this is what the outcome. All right, so she said, oh, she wants her mom to be using it for shopping. She would like her to use it for Christmas shopping. All right, and this is what I'm able to come up with, and she so much love it. When I showed her the design, she was so excited about it. All right, so this is it. Okay, I'm going to be telling you the measurement of this bag. It's so big. In fact, I don't think a lot of things can go into this. Yes, a lot of things, and she can actually use it as hand, like shoulder bag. You see, it's so balanced. So it's so big enough, deep enough, wide enough. All right, and how to go about this picture, all right, is you print it out and then you make it, and you can still use any material of your choice, like plain material without picture. All right, but I feel this is going to make more sense, okay, like mom carrying a bag with a picture on it, like customized bag. All right, so let's get into the detail of the video. If you're excited about this video and you're happy that you want to give something to your mom, to your mother-in-law, to that special woman in your life, I would like you to click on the thumbs up button. It's very important. Like the video, like it, and subscribe to this wonderful channel. All right, so now this is the one I'll be using for the tutorial. All right, so now this is my flex material, okay, designed on it. So the measurement is 14 inches by 17 inches. 14 by 17 inches. 14 by 17. So I used 2. So I printed out. So this is front and back, okay? So you can use your material using the same measurement. All right, and then the next thing is my belt. All right, so I'm using 20 inches each for the handle. All right, so that it will be sufficient enough to hold or to use on the shoulder. Okay, and then the next thing is the side. All right, so because she needed something very wide, I had to do something very wide for her. Okay, so this side is 8 inches by 51 inches long. Okay, so now, but the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be using my belt. Okay, now this is my belt, right? Remember, this is, so I'll bring my remaining belt, place it this way neatly, and top stitch. So measure 4 inches. So I'm placing the belt inside like this. Okay, but I want the spacing to be 4 inches, so you can see that I'm at 4, right? So I'll stop. When I come to this side as well, I'll measure 4 inches. Okay, so meaning I'm placing my belt here. Make sure it's 4 inches. Whatever you do to All right, dads are not also left out. Okay, so we still made for our dad as well. Yes, mommies and daddies are so important to our lives, right? Okay, so I'm still going to repeat what I did on this, the other one, to this. All right, so now the next thing is to fix our side. So now in fixing the side, okay, what you do is you fold some in. All right, you don't need to top stitch it this way, but because I picked my number there, that's the reason for the top stitching. Okay, so you fold like 1 inch inside. All right, so when you get to this point, so you fold the remaining inside like this, okay, and then top stitch. So so you use your hand to keep adjusting so that you get your back accurate. All right, so trim off all the excess thread. And okay, so this is what we have here. All right, so thank you so much for watching. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to this channel, like this video by clicking the thumbs up button. All right, share with friends, invite people to subscribe to this channel, and keep watching, keep learning, keep chopping your money. All right, so see you in my next video. I'm also going to be uploading clothing for that of dad. Whatever like you want to gift dad something for Christmas, you can also do something special. All right, but it's quite the measurement is different from this one. So bye for now. Thank you so much.